Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to be installing new running boards on the 2024 Tacoma. So it's a quick install, maybe 30 minutes, an hour at most with the unboxing and installation. So first I'm going to crawl underneath the truck and point out the bolts that you will have to remove to install the new hardware. There's 4 locations underneath the truck, but there's only brackets for 3. The installation hardware will come with 2 separate brackets. Right there with the extra notch, that's for the frontmost on the passenger and driver's side. The squared off one is for the other 2 further back bracket positions. Installing the brackets, you're going to take those nuts that they gave you, install them hand tight really. You don't want to crank them down, tighten them down so you have everything else installed and attached to the running board. To install the running board to the brackets, you want to slide that tiny bracket in through the channel and then just connect the bolts from there. For the bracket positions, you can see I used the front 2 and then left that one with nothing, and then it's connected the final one to the rear. Just a few tips to installing these running boards. Make sure that you have a breaker bar to take off the initial bolts that are underneath the truck. It took a lot of extra elbow grease to pop those off. And again, just make sure everything's set up before you tighten everything as tight as you can go. One of the few gripes I had with these though is, as you can see, they're a little bit wiggly when you're standing on them, kind of rocking back and forth. The running board feels stable itself, but for whatever reason, when you're on this pad, it moves a little bit. Maybe a 4th bracket would help fix that. But other than that, not a bad running board for the price. If you're on a budget, I give it 10 out of 10 for the price. It's a good deal, but it's going to cost you $80 to ship it to Hawaii, which sucks. All in all, I think it's a pretty solid mid-tier running board. The length is perfect, the color is killer, and it's pretty stable. Plus, it doesn't break the bank. Follow me for more.